Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm here to solve this math problem that is closer to. Okay, so this is our problem. It's exponential problem which we can solve very easily. So what we know about that exponential format is like whenever we see that a to the power something and multiplied by a to the power something, then the power will be at if the base is same. So here the base is same. Not relevant with the powers are same or not. There is nothing we can sure about that. The power can be a square or power can be a to the power 3. So no matter how the powers are, if the base is same, then the power in and they are in the multiplication condition, the power will be a sum up. So we'll get a to the power 5. So likewise, we have to solve the problem in such a way that we know the formulas correctly. So when I see that there are, it's about multiplication, and when I see the condition is different, that they are in the dividing position, the powers will be reduced from the bottom to the up. That means a to the power n minus n. And whenever you see that power is equal to 0, then we have to put 1. And whenever you see that 3 is the square root of square root, it's like cube root of a is equal to 1 by 3, the power will become the cube root will become the power, and it is written as the fraction format. So we know the fraction does what. So it's a kind of thing that whenever we see something here, we have to make it opposite. What is the opposite of 3? It's like 1 by 3. So that's how we can actually solve the problem. Okay, let's do the problem solving. Okay, so let's just make it a bit more clear that we have 16. So what we know that whenever we say that the answer will be always 4. And what will happen that if someone asks that 4p and then it is also 4p, so their powers are same. So if their powers are same, we can read likely written as like 4 to the power something like power. So we cross out the inner thing, and then we can write the power as it is. Like the resultant value will get the power. Okay. So in our case, this is the thing that we know that 16 to the power p cube divided by 4 to the power p cube. So we'll write it as 16 by power 16 divided by 4 to the power p cube. So we have to cross out this like it goes against 16 for 4 times. So 4 to the power p cube would be the resultant value for that. So then we have to solve this thing. This is cracky thing. So what is 4 by 8? This is the our resultant value for 4 to the power p. So we know that this will cut out as 1 by 4, that is half. So our value will come 2 by root over p. So we can write it as 1 by 2 to the power root p. So this value come for this one. Okay, so this is cross out, this is cross out. So what will happen in this case? So we know that their values are okay. So these are written as they don't share the same power. So we have to do the formula applied. Like if it is minus 2 root p, then it will become like they will add up minus minus 3 root p. So it will give us minus 2 root p plus 3 root p. So we will get 2 to the power 2 root p. So we will get 2 root p from this one. So if I sum up with then in the next condition, okay, so here it is the value that is remain, that remains, stay remains. So what we get? We get 4p cube, we get this, and we get this. This is like 2 to the power root p. So this is p. So if we go to the next page, or okay, I just erase the base things. Uh, okay, we don't need this right now, so we can remove this. I also don't need this, so this can be removed. So here I can write it as like what you say that. So what we get was like 4 to the power p cube, which is in the above. We get 1 to the power, okay, 1 to the power 2 root p, and we also get 2 to the power root p. But we have an in our hand still, that is 4 minus p cube. So these two things cross out. We have to erase the other things. So this, it is. Sorry for that. Okay. Uh, it's like okay. This is the 2 root p, and this is the 2 root p. That means they share the same power, it's the same value. Like they are like 1 by a times 1 by a. If I consider that, then they are cross out. So I can cross out easily. Okay. Then our next value comes 4 p to the power pq, and then 4 to the power p minus q. So that means they are 4 to the power pq times 4 to the power minus pq. So we know that when they are in the same pair, they stay in the same base, and they are in the multiplication condition, then the power will be sum up. So what is the sum of this thing? pq minus pq. That means the answer will be 0. So 4 to the power 0. So we know that if something is power is 0, someone's power is 0, then it will always remain give us one value. So this is the one value, that is the answer. So this is a complex problem, but if we divide it into, okay, I have to go to this next page. Okay. Mm, okay, if we divide it into in a shorter way, then it will be a easier problem to give us a solution or kind of thing. So whenever you see something like a bigger problem, then divide it parts by parts, parts by parts. So that is the most easiest way to solve any problem. So this is the hardest one. That's why I'm here to share. I have shared to share it. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you.